Okay, the filming starts. We got some wicked wild weather. Wild, wild, wild. I'm using my handheld tripod. I'm going to see if I can walk over to the lake here. Quick walk to the lake, but the waterfall is like going crazy. We got a wrist check. There it is. The Seiko dive watch. Look at this. I don't know if it's raining or snowing or just blowing off the mountain. Look at the fall coming down. Look at the water pressure. Look at that. It's even throwing some steam with the force of the water. And cold. Want to lose weight, you take a dunk in there and you freeze yourself. Look at that. Look at this thing. Look at the pressure on it. Natural beauty. Look at that thing coming. With all the snow and the water and the ice and the, I guess, melting and built up. Look at this. Look at the power of that thing. See the smoke coming out of that? Cold water. Look at this thing. Throw the pole in. Get some fish. Look at that. Really nice. Coming down. Wow. Look at that. Will you look at that? Wow, look at the water pressure. It wasn't this high, the pressure on this, in a long time. Let's see how the lake looks. Really coming off now. Wow. It's freezing out. It's like 11 degrees. I want to do another video. Somebody was saying about a car. My car, I did a video a long time ago. I have a Ford Taurus all-wheel drive. Nothing special, but believe me, I have plans. If I get the car I really want, kind of calm here, but you can see how high it is. That's why it's coming down so fast. It's frozen over. If I got the car, there's about 3 cars that I'm only interested in. One would be a police interceptor, Ford Taurus, all-wheel drive. A white one. You know, they have bulletproof doors. I had seen some videos, but I would do some videos with that, with the watches, and I got ideas. And my other vehicle of choice would only be a Wrangler Jeep or a Mustang, in that order. And that's really the only 3 cars I'd be interested in. And I think any car today should be all-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. I don't care if you live in Florida. You know, that's just my opinion on that. But it is just brutal out here. It's not just snow or whatever. It's just crazy cold. Anyway, that's my thoughts on the cars. Those police interceptors you could pick up in an auction or even go online. They're really great cars, dependable. But if I had a car to review, if this guy's mentioned earlier on one of the videos, believe me, I do it. I do a walk around and I do a video on it. Right now, I don't want to recycle any watches I did already. So I just came out here to show some of the nice scenery. It's just very cold. That house over there to the far left, it's real nice set up with Christmas lights and Christmas ornaments and stuff. Really nice. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that. Everybody have a great day. I got my little tripod. I got ideas coming up. You know, I hope people stay with the channel and keep talking and conversing with me. Any comments or suggestions are all welcome. I'm welcome to take any comments or suggestions. And I'm on Instagram at MichaelK487 if anybody's on Instagram. Have a great day, everyone. Christmas is around the corner. Have a great Christmas. Happy New Year. Peace out, everyone.